Assalamu alaikum to you all.
Walaikum assalam.
My name is Ayan and today we all are doing debate here on a very splendid topic. The topic is about colleges. Which college is better? Regular college or open college? So well, in my approach, open colleges are better. You know why open colleges are better? So let me tell you. First thing, if I tell you about the poor people, as we all know that poor people are all also are living in our India. And if I tell you about for poor people, open colleges are better. You know how they can learn also. They can learn in open college also, and they can earn money also. And if which is very good for poor people. Yes.
So a very good afternoon to all my dear friends and my respective teachers. Today we all are doing debate here on a very amazing and crucial topic, which is about regular colleges versus open colleges. Which one is better? In my perception, that regular colleges are far better than the open colleges, because I have many reasons behind it. My first reason is that communication. You know that the communication and presentation skills both are found in the regular colleges, not are found in the open colleges, and both are very important, very helpful for us. Why? Because I have example. For example, you got 98% marks in your 12th standard, and then you were a lot of happy, and then even you gave party to your friends, relatives and all. After 2 or 3 months, you go to your regular colleges, and then you see there that already a lot of students got 98% marks in their 12th standard and 10th standard as well. So you thought that I will do something in my life, and I will become topper in the regular colleges. So you worked a lot of hard, and then you became topper in your regular colleges. Because of communication you will do this. Because of communication, if you have communication, so definitely you will do something.
So listen, if I tell you, I agree with you. So let me tell you also. If I tell you about means communication skills we can get from academies also. And if I tell you about, I agree with you. You said that you gave party to your friends. So let me tell you about this. If I tell you about what happened in regular colleges, there are lots of, I know there are lots of toppers are there. If I tell you, if I have not money, so what will I do? I can study by regular college. I cannot. If I have not, I have not money, so where will I study?
Okay, I have answer of this question, that if you are in the 12th standard, so you work a lot of hard, and then you became topper in your regular college, in your 12th standard, and then you will give scholarship from the CBSE board. From the CBSE you will give scholarship. So, and then you went to
Listen.
Yeah.
No, it is not like this. I will take or not.
So you will take?
It is not like this. Definitely they will give or not.
Yeah.
I don't know about it. They will get or not.
I am saying in the poor people.
So listen, if they won't give, so what will I do?
So you can take money, and then you can take
Listen. If I tell you about the open college, means I will take money to someone. If he is saying to me, give my money, so what will I do? Listen, if I tell you about the open college, so what happens in open college, we can take degree also. And if I tell you about the skills, so skill we can get by the academies, by the art teachers we can get.